I've saved this recipe for a long time and finally I decided to give it a try. So far, usually I don't fry my egusi and that's how I've always cooked it. So this one I saw it on internet and said, maybe it's something I can try. Let me just give it a try, maybe it will come out well. I tried it and you guys, this is the way I'm not making my soup going forward. It absolutely came out very well and I enjoyed it. Have you always made your soup this way or you are just seeing this for the first time? If not, let me know how you usually cook yours and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.